Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to do this look. This is my quintessential 90s supermodel look. So there's lots of contouring and layering and beautiful sort of natural earth tones and lots of blending and really having everything smoked out and blended and contoured is the whole idea with this look. I'm going to do this look mostly sped up with music in the background and some narration from me just telling you what I'm doing and what I'm using. I think this is just the kind of look that everyone should know how to do on themselves. Everyone should be able to do this because, at least for me, it makes me feel really good and really powerful, and I love this style of makeup. So if you'd like to see how to do 90s supermodel makeup, just keep on watching. Okay, starting out, I have my skincare and brows done already. I'm taking 3 shades of the Westman Atelier Lit Up Highlight Sticks to really start that contouring and shaping of the face right from the beginning. So I've got the shade Brûlée, which is that deeper shade in my contour and bronzing areas. I'm taking Nectar over the cheeks where I would put blush, and then I have the shade Lit that I'm putting in any areas that I'm going to want highlighted or to be lighter than the sculpted areas. And then I'm just blending all of that in with my fingers, first blending in the darkest shade, and after I've got that all blended in, I'm gonna just wipe off my fingers so that I'm not mixing that color in with everything else, and then going ahead and blending the lighter colors. Now I'm taking 2 shades of the Lisa Eldridge foundation, shade 1 and shade 4, and I'm gonna continue that building of the sculpting. So I'm putting the deeper shade, shade 4, on those areas where I want the contouring and the shadow. Now going in with my Patrick Ta Velvet Blush in the shade She's Sincere. This is a beautiful kind of neutral peachy shade that just works really well with this whole look. It's not too intense, but it still adds a little bit of a flush and blush to the cheeks. And it's super thin and buildable. Now for the lips, this is Lisa Eldridge's Velvet Fawn. It's a perfect 90s lip. Just blending that in, and then once I have that base layer of Velvet Fawn, I'm going in with my Makeup Forever Endless Cacao pencil for a really nice sculpt of the lips. So just putting that around the edges, drawing it into the corners a little bit to add a nice shape and fullness to the lips. Topping it off with Velvet Fawn again to blend all of that in. And then I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW, which is a really light nude, just blotting the lips down a little bit, and then adding that Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW onto the center of the top and bottom lips to just give that really pouty, light effect. And here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe below. Thanks again. I'll see you later.